morning. Lesson 3-2, compute with multi-digit decimals. All right, here we go. We're going to skip that page. You can read that one on your own. We're going to do some checks today. Do this vertical. When you add and subtract decimals, do it vertically. Trust me. 356.725. Write it neatly. Line up your decimals. You only have to do this when you add and subtract. Line up your decimals. Bink. 142.4. Add. Here's the thing though. You need the same number of decimal places. Okay, adding these zeros on the end, remember, doesn't change the value. We learned that in Module 2, or you learned that in previous grades. Now we can add them. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Bink. Decimal comes straight down. 7, 8, 9, 9, 4. Done. Line up your decimals. Do it vertically. Fill in the blank decimal places with 0. Let's do that with subtraction. 356.18 minus 142.257. Fill in your blank. Now everybody has 3 decimal places. Bring your decimal straight down, then subtract like nothing exists here. 0 minus 7, 3, 2, borrow, 9, 3, 1, 2. Okay, I think you can do that. Let's try it again. If we have 34 and we're going to subtract 9, right? We'd know we'd write it like that, but this is 9.142. And when you line up the ones here, you're really lining up your decimals. We don't write a decimal if we don't need to. Fill in your blanks. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then subtract. 3, 9, 9, 10. Oops, bring my decimal down. Okay. With multiplication, I'm glad they kept this in the same lesson because, by golly, add and subtract, line up your decimals. When you multiply, don't line them up. Put the smaller number on the bottom. You'll thank me later. 147, 147, your decimal went here. Pretend like your decimals don't exist. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 21. 22, 3, 45. 7, 8, 9, 7. Done. Placeholder. 4 times 1. I'm going to scratch these out. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 3, 12, 13, 14. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And 4 times 1 is 4. Done. Place values. And then, times 1. Love it. 1, 6, 3, 1, 1. See how everything's lined up? Beautiful. 7, 6, 10, 10, 20, 17, 6, 1. Here comes the trick. It's not the trick, it's the algorithm. 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 4 decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal. That's it. When you multiply by hand, old school, okay, don't line anything up. Put the smaller number on the bottom. By smaller, I mean less digits. Multiply like normal, then count your decimal places in your question. Have the same number of decimal places in your answer. Okay, let's practice division. What to do when doing division by hand with decimals. This is the one time you get to move the decimal around. Yay! 0.27 is our dividend. Our divisor is 2.943. The reason we do this is we multiply both of these by 100 to get 0.27 to 27. Let me prove. 0.27 times 100 is 27. And we want a whole number out here. Or you can go like this. Bink, bink, 2 places. Bink, bink, 2 places. Boop, 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 boop. Done. Then pretend it doesn't exist. Just pretend. 27 into 2. No. 27 and 29. Bring down your 4. Does 27 go into 24? No. So question, if it doesn't, do we leave it blank or do we put a 0? We have to put a 0. You need the placeholder of the thing. Technically, 0 times 27 is 0. You subtract, you get 24. Then we can bring down the 3. 27 go into 243? Yeah. How many times? I don't know either. But we can try some things. 63, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 243. Oh! Was 243. Subtract. We got nothing. Answer 10.9. We're going to check it. I mean, we could check it by hand, but let's do 10.9 times 0.27, 2.943. We are so good. We are so good, you guys. All right, short lesson today, but rewind it if I went a little too fast. Good luck.